Hey guys, Joel here with Braden Ford Lincoln. Just want to show you guys this 2020 Corsair. I'm going to be showing you guys Active Park Assist 2.0 today. So it's completely hands-free and feet-free. Well, not finger-free, you have to touch one button. It's going to parallel park for you. It's going to perpendicular park for you. We'll go over that and some other cool features, guys. Join in.
There you go.
All right, guys, so now that we're inside the vehicle, I just want to show you guys a couple things. First of all, this thing has amazingly comfortable seats in it. I just press a button over here on the door, and then you're going to see it come up here on the screen. And what we're going to do, we're going to be able to perfectly make this seat exactly what we want. So you can see it's lighting up that right there, the one below it. So this is like lumbar support on steroids, guys. So this is what we can do, make it perfect. Also massage. So you can turn the massaging on. You can see how many different settings there are for massaging. Relaxed recovery, circular cushion, full recovery. It's going to get your lower back, and it's also going to get your butt in there. I'm going to get a nice massage as we're driving over. We're going to do a parking lot test there for you to show you how it parks itself. Air conditioned seats, heated seats, dual climate zone, absolutely all the features. Press this button here, you'll see the 360 camera on the right, then you'll see the front facing camera, and then there's lots of different options through it there. Anyway, I could talk about this thing for hours, guys. Let's head over to the parking lot there and get started. So guys, I'm just gonna hit the park assist button right here. I got my right signal light on. All you do is watch this screen. Of course, watch for pedestrians and stuff, but it's gonna scan. When it finds the spot, it tells me what to do here. Space bound, stop, and then it'll say shift to neutral. So I'm gonna press N right there, press brake and start, hold the park button to start. So I'm just gonna press and hold this. I'm gonna release the brake, and I'm not gonna do anything, guys. I'm not touching the gas or the brake. I'm not steering. It's as simple as this. Unbelievable technology. So this has 360-degree sensors all around it, so you won't ever hit anything. It's going to measure to the side. It's going to measure each corner. Once again, all I'm doing is holding this button right here. We also even have a little bit of a curb on the right side of the vehicle. Now it's going to pull us ahead, just straighten us up. And that's it, guys. So now you just put your foot on the brake, it automatically shifts back to park, you can let go, and there we are, we're parked. Alright guys, so we just did that really successfully, that worked great. We want to give you guys an outside point of view as well. From the inside it's a little bit hard to see. Obviously sitting here it's nice and easy and I can see everything, but I want you guys to see what this does from the outside, how close it gets, and just how smart these vehicles are. Tune in and we'll get it done. Thanks. Yeah, I'm literally not doing anything again, guys. Just sitting here, press the button. It's doing everything. That's that. It's already in park for me and everything. Good to go. It's going to be the perpendicular park as well. So I'm just going to scoot into this parking lot here. You'll see the parking spots on the right side up here. Same thing. Press this button. Active Park Assist. Turn my right signal light on. Space found. Stop. Once again, shift into neutral. I'm going to press and hold this button and just release off the gas, release off the brake, everything. So you can see how close we're getting there. I'm not even one bit worried. This thing's way too smart to hit something. I love the 360 view you can see right here. You can see those yellow lines so clearly, and it also gives you these fake yellow lines beside the picture of the Corsair there. It just gives you a better heads up for exactly where you are in the parking spot, and it's going to do its absolute best to line us up perfectly. Look at those yellow lines matching right up there. Easy as that, guys. Once again, shift to park on its own. Doesn't get much easier than that. All right, cool. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Once again, Joel Griffin with Breeding Ford. Hope you learned something today. Any questions and stuff, feel free to reach out to me. Leave comments, like, and subscribe. And yeah, good to see you. See you soon.